Hey there, soccer fans. Imagine this. You're gearing up for the biggest sporting event on the planet, the FIFA World Cup, with all the thrilling matches, nail-biting rivalries, and unforgettable moments that unite the globe. But then disappointment hits. You fire up your streaming app or broadcaster's website only to see that dreaded message. This content is not available in your region. Geo-blocking strikes again, locking you out from watching your favourite teams battle it out live. Whether you're travelling abroad, living in a country with restricted broadcasts, or simply dealing with blackouts on local services, it feels incredibly frustrating. But here's the good news. You don't have to miss a single goal, save, or dramatic penalty shootout. Today we're breaking down exactly how to use a VPN to watch World Cup matches from anywhere, turning those geo-blocks into a thing of the past. Stick with me through this guide, and by the end you'll be streaming every match seamlessly, no matter where you are in the world. First, let's understand the problem at its core. Geo-blocking is a technology used by streaming platforms, broadcasters, and content rights holders to restrict access based on your geographic location. They do this by checking your IP address, which essentially acts like a digital postcode, revealing where you're connecting from. For the World Cup, FIFA and its partners sell exclusive broadcasting rights to different networks in different countries. In the UK, it might be BBC or ITV. In the US, it could be Fox or Telemundo. In other regions, local providers hold the licenses. This means if you're in a country without official coverage, or if you're an expat trying to catch your home team's games, you're out of luck. Even within licensed areas, there might be blackouts for certain matches, or requirements to have a cable subscription. It's all about controlling who sees what and when. But for fans like us, it just gets in the way of enjoying the beautiful game. Now enter the hero of our story, the Virtual Private Network, or VPN. A VPN is like a secret tunnel for your internet traffic. When you connect through a VPN, it encrypts your data and routes it through a server in a different location, making it appear as if you're browsing from that server's country instead of your actual one. This tricks the streaming service into thinking you're in an allowed region, bypassing the geo-restrictions entirely. Beyond just unlocking content, VPNs add layers of privacy and security. Your real IP address stays hidden from prying eyes, whether it's your internet service provider, hackers on public Wi-Fi, or even overly curious websites. For World Cup viewing, this means you can stream high-quality matches without buffering issues if you choose a fast VPN, and you protect yourself while doing it. But how does it actually work under the hood? When you launch your VPN app and select a server, say one in Brazil if you want to access Brazilian coverage, or in Germany for top European feeds, your device creates an encrypted connection to that server. All your online activity then flows through this tunnel. The streaming platform sees the server's IP address instead of yours. Since that server is in a permitted country, boom, access granted. It's simple, effective, and incredibly powerful for sports fans. Importantly, using a VPN for this purpose is generally legal in most countries, as long as you're not violating specific terms of service of the streaming platform. Always check local laws, but for personal viewing, it's a widely accepted workaround. So let's get practical. How do you actually set this up and start watching? The process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes, even if you're not tech savvy. First, you need to choose a reliable VPN provider. Look for one with a large network of servers worldwide, especially in countries that broadcast the World Cup extensively, like the UK, US, Spain, Brazil, Argentina, and others. Speed is crucial here, because nobody wants laggy streams during extra time. Strong encryption, a strict no logs policy, and features like kill switches that prevent your real IP from leaking if the connection drops are must-haves. Many top services offer money-back guarantees, so you can test them risk-free during the tournament. Once you've picked your VPN, head to their official website or app store and download the application for your device. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Smart TV, or even a streaming stick like Fire TV, most VPNs have dedicated apps that make installation a breeze. After downloading, install it and create an account if prompted. Log in with your credentials. Now comes the fun part. Open the app and browse through the server list. Search for servers in the country whose broadcast you want to access. For example, if you're abroad and craving the iconic commentary from your home nation, connect to a server there. Hit the connect button and wait for the confirmation that you're now protected and location spoofed. With the VPN active, open your browser or the streaming app you plan to use. It could be the official World Cup app, a broadcaster's platform like DAZN, ESPN+, or even free-to-air options in certain regions. Refresh the page or log in again if needed, and you should now see the full library of matches available. Try loading a live game or on-demand replay. If it works, fantastic, you're in. If there's any hiccup, which is rare with quality VPNs, simply disconnect and try a different server in the same country. Sometimes servers get overloaded during big events, so having multiple options is key. Pro tip: connect to the VPN before launching the streaming service to avoid any detection. Let's talk about optimizing your setup for the best World Cup experience. Since the tournament features matches across different time zones, plan ahead. Connect early to avoid last-minute rushes when millions of fans are logging in simultaneously. For mobile viewing, ensure your VPN app has a quick connect feature or favorites list for your go-to servers. If you're watching on a big screen at home, some VPNs allow router installation, which protects every device on your network without individual setups. This is perfect for family gatherings around the TV. Speaking of speed, choose servers that are geographically closer to the content source, but still in the right country. Many providers have optimized streaming servers labeled specifically for video. Security and privacy matter too, especially during high-profile events when cyber threats spike. Enable the kill switch in your VPN settings. This automatically cuts your internet if the VPN drops, preventing accidental exposure of your real location. Use obfuscated servers if available. These make your VPN traffic look like regular HTTPS traffic, helping bypass any advanced detection by strict networks or platforms. Avoid free VPNs for this. They often have slow speeds, limited servers, data caps, and questionable privacy practices that could ruin your viewing or compromise your data. Paid options with solid reputations are worth the small investment, especially with frequent discounts and long-term plans. Now, common pitfalls to avoid. One big mistake is forgetting to turn on the VPN before accessing the site. Always connect first. Another is choosing a server in a country without strong World Cup coverage. Research which nations have the best free or accessible streams. For instance, some European countries offer public broadcaster feeds that are high quality. Test your connection speed within the VPN app before match time. Aim for at least 25 megabits per second for HD streaming, higher for 4K if supported. If you encounter buffering, switch servers or temporarily lower video quality in the streaming app. Also, clear your browser cache and cookies occasionally, as old data might reveal your true location. During the World Cup, the excitement builds with group stages, knockouts, and the grand final. A VPN lets you follow your national team no matter where life takes you. Picture yourself in a hotel room overseas, connecting to a server back home and cheering along with local commentary. Or, if you're in a region with poor coverage, unlocking premium international feeds with multiple camera angles and expert analysis. It's not just about watching, it's about immersing yourself fully in the atmosphere of the event. Many fans combine VPNs with other tools like smart DNS for even faster connections on certain devices, though VPNs provide better overall protection. Troubleshooting deeper issues? If a platform still detects you, it might be due to WebRTC leaks in your browser. Disable WebRTC or use a browser extension alongside the VPN. Some services block known VPN IP ranges, but premium providers constantly refresh their servers to stay ahead. Reach out to the VPN's customer support. Most offer 24/7 live chat with knowledgeable agents who can recommend the best server for sports streaming. Keep your VPN software updated to benefit from the latest improvements and security patches. Beyond the World Cup, this skill opens doors to tons of other content. Use the same method for other global sports events, exclusive leagues, movies, and shows locked behind regional walls. It's a game changer for digital nomads, travellers, and anyone who values freedom online. As the tournament progresses, stay flexible. Server loads change, so experiment with different locations. Countries like Canada, Australia, or Japan might have unique viewing options worth exploring. In wrapping up, using a VPN to watch World Cup matches from anywhere isn't just a technical workaround. It's about reclaiming your access to the world's most passionate sporting celebration. With the right tool, a few simple steps, and some smart choices, you can enjoy crystal clear streams, zero geo frustrations, and full peace of mind. Don't let borders or restrictions keep you sidelined. Get set up today, test it out on upcoming fixtures, and get ready to experience every heart-stopping moment as it happens. Whether it's the underdog story, a stunning bicycle kick, or the crowning of a new champion, you'll be there, virtually, right in the action. Thanks for tuning in to this guide. If you found it helpful, drop a like, share with fellow fans, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your online experiences. Stay safe, stream smart, and may your team lift the trophy. Catch you in the next one, and enjoy the beautiful game.